Hi everyone. This is review a little vacuum cleaner, Bosch. This is wireless, bagless vacuum cleaner. Really small, really cute. This box have only 3 details. 4 details. This is really easy to build. I will build this right now, this vacuum cleaner, and we continue look how it's work. I charge it around like 1 hour, and this is vacuum cleaner now like charge about 2 bars. I show you. Let's see. 1, 2. It is only 2 bars for 1 hour. 2 bars. This is a first speed and second speed. Under table, under couch, under fireplace. Very easy to clean, very easy to conduct. It's really nice little vacuum cleaner. I love it. I really love it. 10 minutes I did vacuum, like 2-bedroom apartment. 10 minutes is enough. Everything clean And now I look container. It's very easily take off, like 2 buttons and take off. Oi. And it's full dirt. Oh my gosh, that's unbelievable how it's dirt. Wow. Okay, I guess it's little vacuum cleaner. Very good working. I love it. It's a lot of dust and dirt. I like it's easy conduct and look nice. Wow, it's a lot dirt for 10 minutes. Oh my god, dust and dirt. Oh, okay, now I will wash it. Oh, unbelievable. That's clean. And second filter. Second filter. And okay, everything clean. 1 minute and everything clean. That's it. It's very easy.